Set to go. Good luck on your pick 5 choices. Race number 3. The race is on. Battle Cha-Cha draws for your lead. Triton moving up in between runners. Hot Dog, then comes Misha. Jacobos Magic running by the rail. Second last Popsicle, and alongside is Karapatan. Heading towards the half mile pole. Hot Dog takes up the running. Battle Cha-Cha shuffle back in second, then moving up Misha. Jacobos Magic, Triton to take fourth as they rounded the 600 with Hot Dog is still leading the field. Battle Cha-Cha once again moving up on the outside to grab the lead. Battle Cha-Cha takes up the running. Hot Dog in second, then comes Misha, Jacobos Magic, and Triton, and into the home stretch. It's still Battle Cha-Cha desperately holding on for the lead by some 3 lengths. Running in second now on the outside, Jacobos Magic, Triton. Battle Cha-Cha by about 3 lengths. Triton is on the outside, Jacobos Magic. And finally, under the trainership of Jonathan Dalusordan, Battle Cha-Cha, Triton, then comes Jacobos Magic, Misha, Hot Dog.